Assalamualaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we will learn science cues. Number 1. What is the young one of a cow called? Answer is calf. Answer is calf. Number 2. Which is the largest land animal? Answer is elephant. Answer is elephant. Number 3. Name one vegetable that grows underground. Answer is carrot. Answer is carrot. Number 4. Which body part do we use to run, walk, or move? Answer is feet. Answer is feet. Number 5. What do living things need to breathe? Answer is air. Answer is air. Number 6. What does a kitten grow into? Answer is cat. Answer is cat. Number 7. Which is the food factory of a plant? Answer is leaves. Answer is leaves. Number 8. Which sense would you use to sniff a flower? Answer is smell. Answer is smell. Number 9. Which body part do you use to hear? Answer is ears. Answer is ears. Number 10. What is the name for a plant that can grow up a wall? Answer is climbers. Answer is climbers.